by dividing two lines. When we want to calculate the eccentricity of the orbit, there's two things we need to know. The distance between the center of the orbit and the sun, and the semi-major axis. Now, when we want to calculate eccentricity, what do we divide? Yep, we take our C line, which is our distance between the center of our orbit and the sun, and we divide it by our semi-major axis. So when we look at mine, what was the eccentricity of our orbit?
10.5.
Nope, not 10.5.
0.8.
0.81. Remember, when we calculate eccentricity, what does it have to be between? What two numbers? No?
8.5 plus 10.
1 and 0. A 0 is a perfect circle, 1 is a straight line. So mine was a 0.81. Okay?
See, that's why I thought so. Look.
So today, what you will be doing is looking at the eccentricities of the different planets in our solar system. Can I get a volunteer to help me pass these out? Darius, you want to help me? Just make sure everybody gets one, okay?
Did he say something about eccentricity? What's the word?
Eccentricity.
Yeah, did he say that?
It's between 0 and 1.
What's that?
It's 0.85 between 0 and 1.
It's in the middle.
Between the two?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And
That's 0.8.
While Darius is passing,
Oh!
go Darius. While Darius is passing out the papers, feel free to copy down any of these nice notes I made for you
I
onto
can
your lip
see.
sheet.
Come on, even I can see it without glasses on.
On
Then
the
what
templates
do we
for
work?
loss, you wanna write these
No,
down.
over
Fine.
here.
It's all information for you. That's why I draw them. I don't draw them for myself. Yes, you did.
We're gonna paper those
Whoa, 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 whoa. DJ should be the only one talking right now. Yes, you did. We're going to talk about that in just a second when we talk about our sheet. Yeah. If you want to ask questions, raise your hand. Remember, a 0 is a circle, and 1 is a complete straight line.
Natalia, move your tissues. Did you say for day? For bed.
You want this one? Oh. Has everybody got a sheet? Herman needs one. Jordan, do you have one? Thank you, Darius. Alright, so we're going to calculate the eccentricity of all of our planets. So, if you look back at our orbit, how do we calculate eccentricity? What's the formula? C divided by A, correct? Awesome. So, let's start with Mercury. So I'm going to get my calculator out. What is C of Mercury?
C of Mercury.
0.080, right? And I divide that by the semi-major axis of Mercury. What is the semi-major axis of Mercury?
27.
Nope, no.
What? It's down
0.387. There you go. Well, hey, let's watch the chatter. We're almost done. Alright, so what is my eccentricity of that planet? You can just round it to 3 digits. So I'm going to do right 0.206. Alright, let's do one more together. So Venus. What is my C of Venus?
0.005.
0.005. What is my semi-major axis of Venus?
0.723.
Awesome. So what is my eccentricity?
Are you sick?
We will
69.
round it to 0.007. Now, I have eccentricity of both Mercury and Venus. Looking at them both, which one is more circular in its orbit?
206.
Go ahead and raise your hand. Yes. Why do you think it's Mercury? You don't know? That's right. Ashley. You think it's Venus. Why?
Because if the number smaller means that they're closer together.
Right. So if the number is smaller or closer to 0, your orbit is more circular. Remember, 0 is a perfect circle. So what you're going to do is you and your partner are going to work through these, calculate all these, and then answer the questions right here about the eccentricity, alright? You have about 20 minutes to work on this, and then we'll go over them together at the end, alright? Alright, go ahead and get started.
Yeah.